Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a clean environment so dependencies don't conflict. Activate a virtualenv, then pip install Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Jupyter. This gives you data frames, arrays, and plotting tools. Once done, launch Jupyter Lab or Notebook in the project folder so files and outputs live together. Make sure to keep imports at the top of the notebook. Import Pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP, import Matplotlib, piplot as PLT, import Seaborn as SNS. This simplifies reproducibility. You next load and inspect data to understand quality and structure. Read CSVs with PD. Read CSV, then run df, head, df, info, df, describe, to spot issues. If you find missing values, decide to drop, fill, or flag them, convert columns to correct dtypes, and create derived columns for analysis. Once transformed, use df, groupby or pivot table to summarize, and plot quick charts to validate patterns. This helps you catch logic errors early and guides deeper analysis choices. You finalize by creating clear visuals. Seaborn for histograms, box plots, and regression lines, and Matplotlib to tweak labels, ticks, and layout. Once happy, save high-resolution images with PLT. Save fig at 300 dpi and export results via df to CSV for reproducibility. Then assemble a short Jupyter Notebook narrative to explain steps. If a plot appears blank or wrong, check that columns are numeric. Handle NA-NS and verify axis limits and scales. This single check fixes most display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.